Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT R19 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So first of all we will begin with the customization of this mode and then I'll show you much faster access using the shortcut. So firstly let's enter the settings and here we have to tap on the display. And as you can see on the second position we've got the night light, which is the name of the eye comfort mode in this device. So let's tap on it and as you can see before we will be able to customize it we have to turn it on. So let's tap on turn on now and I hope that you can see the changes. They are quite significant. So the screen right now is not, let's say, normal. It's yellowish, almost amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. Here we can change the intensity of that feature just by going to the left with the switcher. We can make it much cooler. It's almost invisible, I would say, comparing to the right side, which is the warmest option possible. So it's really up to you which option you'd like to use. I will stick with this, the warmest option. What's more, we can schedule that feature, so we can turn it on at custom time, so we can freely pick the start and end time, or we can turn it on from sunset to sunrise and your device will decide when the sunset and sunrise are, probably based on the no work time. So let me pick, for example, custom time, and as you can see here we've got the start time, and after tapping on it we can pick it. That was a misclick. We can pick it from this clock. So let me pick, I don't know, maybe 12. Let's tap on OK. And as you can see, I did not change the end time because the screen turned yellowish automatically. It is of course because we are between the start and end time. So let me turn off the schedule. So actually this is the whole customization in this mode. So now we can go back and I can show you much faster access to it. So as I said, using the shortcut. So we have to unroll the top bar and here we have to go to the right, and as you can see we've got the night light icon, which is right now active. Of course we can turn it off just by tapping on it and turn it on the same way. If for some reason you do not have the night light icon here, no worries, we have to simply tap on this pencil icon here and scroll down. The night light icon should appear right here, so you will be able to tap on it and hold it, and as you can see right now you can drag it, so you can just place it in this panel to have much faster access to it. So basically this is it. This is how to change, how to set, how to customize the eye comfort mode or the night light in your CUBOT R19. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.